happens to be one of my, it was referred to me by a close friend. I promised to help promote the brand. It has been a long time. Finally, I'm here in Oton. Welcome everyone to MNT, and beside me is my cousin, Marielle, and she happens to be my official rider for this Iloilo visit. Thank you so much, Marielle. Thank you so much, Bob, Tikao, and also Gerald. Thank you so much for welcoming me to your very beautiful cafe. Yes, it's very Instagrammable, that's what I can say. But before we dwell too much in the place, we'll go directly to what they offer. If you can see right in front of us, we have their 4 plates. And I hope someone from the team can introduce them later on. But first, I'm gonna be asking Marielle, because while we were heading here, she was talking about MNT ate. Famous daw. So it's famous, and I didn't know the brand really because it's not in Cebu. So let's go ahead and ask Marielle what she knows about MNT.
Yes, first ko nalaman is from the social media. Yes, because social media is powerful right now. And sa social media is like me, mahilig ako sa coffee and mga milk tea, lalo na sa mga coffee shops, mahilig ako tingin-tingin, lalo na ngayon sa kaon ta Iloilo na mga daming, at saka kapeta, Iloilo, marami siyang mga coffee shops, mga tapos yun, nalaman ko, MNT, lalo na pandemic, nung nakaraan, sila for delivery or take-outs, ganyan, yun, nalaman ko yung MNT din. First ko na tapos nung nalaman ko na ko yung may-ari is, dati pala siyang milk tea na, and ang milk tea na is known to be as a Instagrammable na coffee shop. Yes, a milk tea house.
I see.
I know that.
So,
punta ako.
So I'm really proud that I'm here right now. Thank you so much, Pap, for the invitation. I'm just gonna talk about the branches available. They gave me a list. So right now we're in Oton. They're also in San Miguel, Cabatuan, Leon, Haniway. Haniway. Pototan, Villa, Pasig, and it's soon to open in Tigbawan. So there we have 8, 9. Currently 8, going 9 branches of MNT. So I'd like to invite, we have here customers coming. Someone from the staff, please come with us. Or Sir Gerald, come here. Sir Gerald, sit down. So Princess is part of their staff. She helped in preparation of all the food and drinks that we see here in front. Can you please introduce us to the food which is in front of us?
This one is the
Food first. Please, food first. Here.
Sausage and rice. And
How much is that?
It's 120.
120. Yeah, it's good for sharing. Here.
And this one is double deluxe with fries.
Right, so it's a chicken burger with bacon and lettuce and cheese. And then here we have
Nachos.
nachos. What's on top? Beef. What's the dressing that you choose?
Mayo and cheese.
Mayo and cheese. And we also have here fries.
Overload.
Fries overload. Why is it overload? What's inside? What's on
Meatballs and more lots of cheese and
That's the meat, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we have here 4 plates, but I'm not telling you that Maura nilang offer. They have a lot of food there on the list. They even have cheesy jalapeno worth 49. They have lumpia Shanghai worth 45, and also fried or steamed siomai. So guys, once you come here, you don't really have to focus on the drinks. You also have a lot of food that you can choose from. Please explain what we have right now from the drinks. Starting from the one I drank, which is very yummy. Mixed berries lemonade. Okay. How much is one? What size is this?
Large, 89, one size one.
Large, 89.
Yes.
Large na 89. In Cebu, I think large is around 100 plus. very good price. It's very affordable and it's student friendly. Healthy din, of course. Let's aim for healthy drinks. How about this one?
Lemon Yakult.
Lemon Yakult. I love lemon Yakult. How much? Still 89?
75 pesos.
79?
75.
75 for lemon Yakult. How about this?
Strawberries and cream, only 140.
140.
Yes.
Strawberries and cream. This is a milk tea.
No frappe.
Frappe.
Ice blended.
Ice blended. How about this one?
Okinawa, it's a milk tea, bubble milk tea.
Bubble milk tea. So there are pearls in the bottom.
Yes.
Right? And how about this?
The premium is Oreo cheesecake.
Oreo cheesecake premiums. How much are your premiums?
99. 99.
99. How about this?
Matcha milk.
Matcha milk.
It's only milk.
What?
Milk only.
Milk only?
Yeah, there's no tea. There's no
So it's
tea.
matcha milk. How much is this?
150.
150. So, when you come here in MNT, ang dama na lang inyong mga tiyan because you have a lot of drinks to choose from. Coming from milk series, premium. They also have, you have
Coffee.
coffee.
Yeah.
They have coffee.
Ininom ko.
Well, all I can say, if you come here, make sure your gadgets are charged because you have a lot of pictures to take because what I'm looking at right now is Instagrammable. So I'll be taking a different footage of what I see right now. And I really love the place. I bet you'd love it if you come here as well. So they are located in what building?
Arcade building.
Arcade building just in front of the Oton Public Market. And you can find them in Ways or what
This
app
is
do
a
you-
weta.
What street?
This is a weta.
JC Zulweta. Okay. And they also have a Facebook page, MNT Oton. Alright. So again, they have 8 branches, but we're now at Oton. Thank you so much once again for having us today, Sir Gerald, and also Baktika. Of course, if you're not a friend, I won't be here eating all these for free.